Can you tell me what section 14 is? Because I'm just being told I'm not aware. Sorry, madam.
Sorry, it's one of those days. You can have a read, basically the section
4088 speaking.
It'd be nice if your officers could have told me that.
Well, luckily I was here to...
Right, 4088.
Thanks, bye-bye. Can you just ask you to just step away from my colleagues? Okay, is it okay if we more? No, just to make sure everything's fine. Yeah, but he's got a camera. If you just step away, because I don't want people standing behind my stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to get past. Right, go on then. Go on. Just step back a bit. It's called a sterile zone. We don't like people behind police officers arresting people. All right. Right. Whilst you're here, gentlemen and ladies. Right.
But I've got a right to walk on the streets of this city as a human being. Where's my placard?
They don't crowd.
Moving on, please.
No, we're witnessing what's going on. There's nothing wrong.
I'm monitoring.
Stand over there, boys. Guys! Stand over there, come on. Let's get over here. Let's stand there. Let's go.
It's what I'm like to demonstrate.
So I can't
There
walk.
are people who
You seriously tell me I can't walk?
Are you listening to me now? No, are you listening?
I'm trying to explain to you.
Right, folks, are you intended to have a demonstration? Because if not, we're going to reinforce section 14 and we'll escort you back to Keble Road. If not, you'll be in breach and you will...
I'm witness to...
No one's demonstrating at the moment. We're just witnessing what's going on over here.
I'm not protesting. You will either need to go now or you will be arrested.
No, section 14.
We're not demonstrating.
Well, you're still here, you're supporting the demonstration.
We're not supporting that, we're monitoring it.
it.
We're making sure that you're doing your job properly.
I'm a senior officer, sir. I just need to keep it.
What's your rank?
I'll let you go.
It doesn't matter. You're a police officer. You're a police officer and I'm speaking to
You're now part of the procession now, folks. You're not going up towards Carfax at all. Failure to do that, you will be arrested.
Can I make it clear?
I'm going home.
Protest, you're not going towards Carfax. You can continue on procession.
How are we going to get home then?
Well, you're now part of the section 12. You are. You would protest.
I haven't protested at all. I've been a witness, I've just been making sure you did your job properly. That's all.
This way.
Make me sick. Go on, crowd around us. We're not protesting.
You will.
Holy shit.
No.
Let's go back here.
Come on, just fucking leave. You just need to get out of there. So I said I'm just a witness to it and they tried caging me in.